Today, we introduce the ultimate power solution, the 300Q375 kW generator. Built for the most demanding heavy-duty applications, it's ideal for mining, large-scale construction, and critical backup power systems. The N855G4 engine features a classic mechanical design, rugged, easy to maintain, and proven in extreme conditions worldwide. Second, with massive displacement, it delivers strong power reserve and torque, enabling smooth startups and reliable operation. It offers an exceptional return on your investment. Ready to learn more or get a custom quote? Contact us today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.